Hi to our Every Nation North family and friends. With just 2 days to go, we are excited about our upcoming Every Nation Southern Africa ReBUILD conference on the 30th and 31st of May. With the help of technology, this is our first time hosting an online conference. It promises to be a significant and defining one. As we build and rebuild, we're re-emphasizing the centrality of Christ in all that we do. You can look forward to international and local speakers, including Pastors Tim Johnson and Gillian Davids, to name a few. The conference will stream live on both our Facebook page and YouTube channel, so be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to them. And don't forget, there'll also be Kiddies Session. Be sure to follow our Facebook page for any updates or contact the office at info@enorth.org. Remember, to be awesome because God is awesome.